Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to align text box in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show aligning multiple text box. Now, firstly, select from all text box. Now, press from Shift. Now select from multiple text box. Now going to the drawing tool from format menu option, then going to the align menu option, then click. Now select from align center and again align option. Now click for align left. Now you can see align multiple text box is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.